Polish startup Volonaut has unveiled the Airbike, a futuristic one-person hover bike designed for personal flight that looks like it flew straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Airbike is described as a superbike for the skies. This futuristic craft can levitate and soar through the air at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, offering an open-air, high-speed flight experience unlike anything else currently on the market. The Airbike sports a sleek, minimalist design with no cockpit enclosure, no seat back, and no visible propellers, wings, or fairings. Instead, the rider leans forward motorcycle style for maximum agility. A pair of angular landing struts supports the bike when grounded, maintaining the clean, narrow silhouette that helps it navigate tight spaces with ease. Unlike traditional drones or eVTOLs, the Airbike uses jet propulsion for lift and movement, which gives it a distinct performance profile. Its body is crafted from carbon fiber, making it 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle, while major structural components are 3D printed for strength and efficiency. Flight control is handled by dual joysticks and body lean inputs, with a proprietary onboard computer smoothing out rider commands, stabilizing the vehicle, and providing an automatic hover feature. Though technical specs and pricing remain under wraps, Volonaut says the Airbike will be ready for market in the near future. For those dreaming of personal flight, this could be the next big leap.